Guys, so I figured something out. It says here that only insert into a 120 volt, that's about 15 amp outlet. There is no way this revAir product was going to work with our own socket here, so I had to get a step down. And the wattage for the revAir is 800 watts, so I decided to get the 1500 watts, so I'll have room for higher watts in case of anything. But yeah, so if you're getting revAir, I think it's best you get the one that is targeted towards the European market, because I think we use the same socket, so that should work. I didn't consider that before buying mine. I bought mine from the US, so that's why I'm having this issue. So I bought this step down for 62,000 naira. This particular one goes for 62,000 naira, so that's additional money to the revAir blow dryer that I bought for $400. So you need to consider that before buying your revAir product. I'm very sure they have one targeted towards the African market and the European market, because we use the same kind of socket. So I've already fixed everything, so we should. To be honest, I don't know how I feel about this. I feel like my hair is going to shrink back in no time, because my hair still feels like there's still more work to be done. Maybe I haven't figured all this out yet, so I don't want to conclude yet, but this is the first one, so let me just do another piece and then see, to be sure. I don't know, for now I don't know how I feel, so let's do another one. So guys, before we go any further, so I attempted to like flat iron this part of the blow dried hair. So this is the other part, as you can see. I don't know, like I said, I feel like it's going to shrink back. Maybe I haven't figured it out yet, but it's really shrinking back. So I flat ironed this part just to see, like, just to, I don't know, I just thought I should do that, and this is the difference. This is already shrinking back. That's it here. This, the other part I did, is already shrinking back. So I don't know if I'm doing it wrong. I'm still going to try it one more time before I conclude on this, but this is the state of this part of the blow dried part. So my hair, I'm not even sure if I want to continue with the revAir blow drying, because this is just not working. I feel like it's not going to do me any good until I'm able to figure it out. So I'm probably going to end this video here. For now, I'm going to try it again. So I'm going to end it here and figure it out. Then I will be back to show you what I came up with. So